So let's say you want to create a private portal for your clients on Squarespace. Well, how do you actually do this? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it with ease. Now, you can set this up either for multiple clients to log into one page, or you can set this up for lots of different pages with each client having their own bespoke page. So what I'll do is I'll show you both. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go into pages, and then you're probably going to want to set up the specific page itself. So I would start with this. Well, it would definitely be in the not linked section. So we'll just use a page layout for this. And let's imagine this is going to be your portal page. So we'll call it portal general. So like this would be, for all clients. Then inside here, you're going to have whatever you want the portal to contain. So in this instance, maybe we'll have a specific contact form. So let's move this over here, and then we'll say add a block. We'll get a form block, and we'll pop that in there. So I'll stick a background on that. We'll go down, put a background on. Great. So this is a private way for clients to get in touch. You could have a gallery. You could have whatever you want in here. You can see all the stuff down here that you can add. But let's say, okay, great. This is going to be the portal that all of the different clients that you have can log into. Now, how do they log into it? Well, if you click the cog here, and then you go down to password here, this is where you can set the password. So we'll toggle it so we can actually see the password going in, and we'll just call this password, and that is going to be the password to log in. So we hit save, and what you're going to see now is this lock icon here. So this means that page has got a password. Now, when someone goes to this page, for instance, if we go onto it on incognito, let me set a password for the whole site first. So you can see we're on the main site. Now, if I go and do / portal general, you can see that this is going to take us to a new password protected page. So if I just put password into here, imagine this is your client logging in, boom, it takes them into this portal. Now, the other way that we can do it is by going in the not linked section again. We click on plus, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a folder. So if we go down here, it's called drop down, but we would call it client portals. And then what you can do is you can create lots of these different portals for each specific client. So instead of calling it portal general, we'll just say, imagine this is for a client called Sam. So Sam's portal. And then what I would tend to do for this is I would create a random string. So in the URL, something ridiculous that no one's going to guess. And then we'd change the nav title as well. So boom, you've got each client has their own portal. And then what we'll do is we'll duplicate this. So go down here, hit duplicate page, confirm, and we'll call this one Tom's portal. And then Tom would have a different password, a different URL slug, and you could continue to duplicate those pages as and when you want. So hopefully that helped. If it did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.